Due to the slow growth of the Philippine economy, it affects the livelihood of the people, which is the reason for the difficult recovery from fallen poverty, despite the problem faced financially, which are the main needs of the poor countrymen. Here we introduce the microfinance, a banking services that provide to the unemployed or low-income individuals or group who are otherwise who have no other access to financial services with no collateral. Microfinance allows people to take on reasonable small business loans safely and in a manner that is consistent with ethical lending practices. It was originated when Muhammad Yunus established Bremen Bank in 1983 that designed as credit delivery system to provide banking services in the rural poor. In 2005, there are 17 million Filipinos from the poor families does not have access to microfinance, and because of this, the Asian Development Bank started microfinance development program that support Philippines to achieve the Millennium Development Goals that cost $150 million loan from ADB. The objective of this program is to eradicate the extreme hunger and poverty and empower of women. As the result, it increased the number of active clients in 2006 to 2008 with a total of 5.5 million and 2.6 million jobs created during this period, and it continued to increase until now. As of 2019, the state of microfinance industry in the Philippines has a loan portfolio of 46 billion pesos, spanning 3,000 branches and 6 million active clients with 91% being female clients.
The real mission of ASCII is really to contribute to the poverty reduction in the whole Philippines and to create deeper impact not only on the lives of our clients but on the community as a whole.
We have made microfinance our mainstream product, and in the future, we'll take it wherever we go.
The goal of ASHI is to inspire women from unserved communities to discover their God-given dignity, to enable them to rise from all forms of poverty, not just financial poverty, and to encourage them to respond to social and environmental concerns.
Because of their one mission that to fight poverty, and they fulfill it, many people have been helped.
Ang pakikisama po ng grupo namin sa mga employees po ng ASCII ay parang kapatid po, wala pong nagtataguan, at katulad din po nila, maganda po yung relasyon namin ng bawat isa, parang isang pamilya.
We need the assistance, technically, supervision the rice field, and of course, these machineries to pump water.
As of 2020, Philippines ranks second in Asia and 8th worldwide in promoting financial inclusion. According to it, the Philippines recognized as highest improvement in view of the government's push to promote digital channels as part of COVID-19 pandemic response.